So, good day, sir. My name is Mark Lucisoko, and in this video I'm going to explain the IMO performance standard for this operational and functional requirements, which talks about the calculations and accuracy performance test, malfunctions, alerts, and indications, backup arrangements. Next, so calculations and accuracy. The accuracy of all calculations performed by XD should be independent of the characteristics of the output device and should be consistent with the system database accuracy. So kinahanglan tanan the calculations is na i-perform sa XDIS kay kanang dili na magsalig, and then dapat accurate siya. Then bearings and distances drawn in the display or those measured between features already drawn in the display should have accuracy no less than that afforded by the resolution of the display. So as well as I said earlier, kinahanglan tanan na naka-record sa display is accurate. The system should be capable of performing and presenting the results of at least the following calculations. First is the true distance and azimuth between two geographical positions, geographic position from a known position and distance or azimuth, and lastly geodetic calculations such as spheroidal distance, rhombline, and grid secant. Performance tests, malfunctions, alerts, and indications. XD should be provided with means for either automatically or manually carrying out onboard tests of major functions. In case of a failure, the test should display information to indicate which module is at fault. XD should provide a suitable warning for indication of system malfunctions. It's very understandable na dapat provide ng XDIS either manually or automatically carrying out tests of major functions, and then the XDIS should provide din siya og kanang asa unsay suitable warning kung asa ang system na malfunction. Next is backup arrangements. So adequate backup arrangements should be provided to ensure safe navigation in case of an XDIS failure. See on Appendix 6. Facilities enabling a safe takeover of the XDIS function should be provided in order to ensure that an XDIS failure does not develop into a critical situation. Backup arrangements should be provide means of safe navigation for the remaining part of a voyage in the case of an XDIS failure. So that's the end of my explanation, sir, and thank you.